Hey everybody, thanks for joining me. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. That really helps me out. This video is about an issue with the lower Ferris limits. So the upper Ferris limits appear to work just fine, um, especially if you've set up a program and you've eliminated bottle caps, and then you go out in the field and you end up digging a lot of bottle caps. So this is what this video is about. So let me know what you think. Put your comments down below and do your own test, and see if you can't verify this and post back. So I have a really bad corroded bottle cap right here, and this is going to come into the upper limits here, and I'm only doing this to show that the upper limits work correctly. So I'm going to sweep. So we have it coming in there. You can see. So what I'm going to do is lower that as I sweep the cap over it. Okay, so you can see that the cap is gone now. You can't hear it. I'm sweeping it. Hope you can see that. Okay, so let's go a little higher in the iron. I've got an old nail right here. I mean, all of us dig these up all the time. It's a square nail. So let's see where that comes in. Obviously big iron up there, so let's eliminate that. It's quiet. I normally run my upper iron discrimination right there, the Ferris limit at 15. So as you can see, it's gone. I'm going to extend that even farther. So you can see that where it's building the trace. Alright, so I'm going to set up for the other issue. Alright, now we're all set up to test the lower limit. So I have it opened up right now, and I have a Seagram's cap. Notice where the nice dot, it looked like the nail that was up here that I was able to eliminate. So perfect trace. Now let's start eliminating it. You see what's happening? It's following it up. See that dot? It's sticking to that line. So that should have been eliminated a long time ago. There it comes back. I can go all the way up. That's all I'm swinging. But you could, when it's opened up, it's down. It was down here. Now it's starting to come up here. Now let's lower it. Look at it following it down. Follows it up. Anyway, so if you think you've got bottle caps discriminated out, but you're digging a lot, maybe this is the issue. So tell me what you think down below in the comments.